What's up, traders? Welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. This is another live streaming. We will be doing all the analysis completely from A to Z, multi-time frame analysis, and probably we'll find some trading opportunity. We may trade live with you. Like yesterday, you have seen that couple of pairs we traded live and all the pairs did exactly as it is. If you made money from this, smash the like button. If you haven't made money, also smash the like button. Today you will be making, or in the future you will be making, as long as you are with this channel. This is the #1 educational as well as make money online from trading channel. Just now we have entered another trade with our VIP member USD CAD. You can see as soon as we have entered the trade, the price started to drop. Now yesterday also you saw that we were running AUD CHF trade, and look at this, what happened. It hit in the morning, when in Sydney morning, when the news released 123.5 times profit target. It's not that I'm showing you what we are trading, it's explaining how trade works, and then so you understand, you can learn from it, you understand that how trading works in real trading. Okay, so today there will be quite a few pairs showing promising trading opportunity, including USD CAD and many other pairs. I'll be going through all of them. In the meantime, there is a right side of you, there is a chat area, you can chat. Thank you, I saw many of you joined. Agbola, hey everyone, thank you. Agbola. Pawin says hello to everyone. Pawin, thank you for joining. Kakulan, thank you for joining. Mark, today Mark joined, thank you. Welcome Mark for joining this VIP channel. And also Mila, thank you. Mila 16, thank you. I saw that many of you joined. Thank you for joining. That's great to see that all of you in this live trading session. Bhuma also, thank you. And let's start and let's get to the business as quickly as possible without wasting time. Let's see how the pairs are doing. As you have seen that all the pairs are acting according to our plan, and we will be Haidar, thank you for joining. Rabi, good. It's good to see that all of you are here. It's great to spend some time with you and at the same time trading the market with high profit and probability. The only thing you need to keep in mind, always check your emotion, keep your emotion in control. Okay, you saw that most of the time what I say, it's happening, right? It's a long painful experience that I gain over time, and it's not my gift now to give you, but to take it, you need to keep in mind that you need to keep your emotion in control, emotion of fear and emotion of greed, because this is the main two things killer of our trading. So when I give you a trade signal or I give you analysis, take it positively. At the same time, keep in the back of the mind that I could be wrong at any point, any single trade. So if you don't manage your risk, then you could be in danger. Your account could be in danger. Okay, so before I start today's session, quickly let me show you again how to manage risk that I teach every single day. Quickly teach you how to manage risk. So when you take a trade, if you have a MetaTrader 4 where you can have a risk management tool, that's better. If you don't have, then what you will do, if you are on the desktop, go to this website called www.myfxbook.com. okay, there is an apps available. If you are doing on the mobile, go to the app store and look for myfxbook.com. this is a free website. So when you go to this website or in the apps, go to the Forex calculator and then go to the position size calculator. Click on this position size calculator, and then let's say the one that we have taken just now, USD CAD trade. Let me show you the risk management for this, because those who joined new today must have taken this trade just 5 minutes ago. Before starting this live trading session, I have sent this to our VIP members. In the meantime, if you want to join this winning team that we are making money every day like this from trading and also learning the best strategy, there is a huge discount going on. All the link in the description area, you can find it and you can join it. At the same time, if you don't want to join, stay with the free channel. I'm trying to give you as much information as possible to help you in your trading. So let me show you how you will be managing this kind of trade. So this is the trade that I have sent, 1.2458 entry, stop loss 1.24704, that is a 71, and take profit at 1.2421. so how many pip risk? Stop loss, let's say 13 pip or 14 pip stop loss. Okay, so this one. And how many pips we will be gaining on this one? We will be gaining 37 pip. So 13 pip stop loss, 37 pip profit. That's how you have to trade if you want to make money from the market. More profit, less risk. That's how traders trade. So you know the stop loss. Now go to this position size currency calculator. This is called the currency pair calculator, and then go to the currency pair that you will be trading. Let's say now we are trading USD CAD, is that right? So select USD CAD and then your account currency. So this is your account currency, account size. Your account size could be $500, $50, 100, whatever account size you have. Choose your account size. Let's say it's $1,000 your account size, as an assume, whatever. And then your risk ratio. This is very important. How much percentage of risk you want to take in a single trade? Let's say 2%. Okay, that means that $10 of your account risk. So stop loss pip, 13 pip, as you have seen. Now calculate. So if you give calculate, see, this is what you will be selling, 0.19 lot. That's how you have to find out position size for a trade, particular trade. Now when you are taking this trade, then what you will be, press sell 0.19 lot. Do not trade randomly, and then take profit target and then set everything, forget it. That's what I do. Today we had AUD CHF trade, hit profit target 3.5 times. I even didn't know. My students informed me that, sir, we are hit profit target. I forget it because I know that it will hit profit target. I don't watch the trade all the time. I get busy with something else. So that's what you have to be as a trader. Set the profit target, buy or sell from the right place, and then forget it. Now let me explain why I have taken this USD CAD trade. I have that many of you have a request for analysis. I will do all of you one by one. RV1, hello sir, love from India. RV, thank you. Love from Sydney, thank you for joining. Madhu, hello sir, hello Madhu, thank you. Ashok, GBP USD, please. Yes, all of them we will do. Coin Veru, hello chief, thank you. And Saviguram, sorry if I couldn't spell your name properly. I'm sometimes difficult in spelling name. Miraz, thank you for joining. Brett Lockwood, he's our VIP member. Thank you for Brett for joining. Hi Nizam, hope you are well. What is an achievable account growth to aim for per month? That's great. I will answer this question. I saw yesterday you asked this, but the stream was finished. Usdjpy, Madhu asked for. Yes, I will do that. Macloria, good evening. Macloria from Philippines, thank you for joining from Macloria. And Olekan Markenia, love from Nigeria, love from Sydney, thank you. Olekan, thank you for joining. I saw that many of you joined today. That's great. See, our USD CAD is hitting to our profit target. How fast it is now. Don't experience FOMO. Don't think that, okay, they are trading, I'm not trading. I will give you right trade in right time. Okay, be patient. Patience is the key in trading. Listen, the main thing as I told you that, let me finish this one. So when you found the lot size, then sell. That's trading. The risk management is key. You know, many of you think that, okay, I have a small account, how do I make money? You see, if you develop the skill, I have created a video on a growth of a small account. You can find in the description area, or you can find in in my channel. You can watch that. If you have developed that skill of trading, there's a lot of investor waiting for you. Trading funding company, my partner also, I have a partnership with a trading funding company. There you can use my link. I will put it in the description area. They will give, if you join them, they will give you a huge discount. Use this link, develop the skill, and then get funded. Get many ways you can become a trader. So let's start with dollar yen. I saw that many Kakulan also ask for dollar yen. So this is the USD CAD. Now I will explain why I have taken this USD CAD, what I have sent. First, let's start with dollar yen, how it is doing. Now dollar yen, it is struggling to go up, but it is bullish. See, this is the signal that I have given yesterday in live streaming, you remember. So it's going according to the way, you see. Now the reason dollar yen a bit struggling going up is because dollar is a bit stronger, and dollar is a bit weaker, pardon me, and yen is getting a bit stronger. So that's why USD CAD is the dollar yen is struggling to go up, but still it is a bullish price action. You guys see the price broke to the upside. Okay, you see the price broke to the upside, impulse followed by a retracement, and every time the price is creating, it's a clearly visible market structure. Okay, it's a visible market structure. And if you see the bigger picture, let's say monthly time frame, what you see, this is the previous month's candle. It's a healthy bullish candle. Now what do I mean by healthy bullish candle you see there is a wick at the top. Now this wick is where the retracement happens. So there is a long big candle followed by this retracement. Okay, so when you saw retracement, that means that it is creating a market structure like this, impulse, correction, now ready for another impulse. Okay, so that's how you need to read price action properly. And I will prepare a clear series of price action video slowly on my YouTube channel, and also I will post on my separate video on our VIP channel to help you grow as a trader and also make money with us. So weekly dollar yen, you see the previous week the price has created this doji. Now when you see this kind of move, you can't expect to sell immediately. You always think of buying. Okay, buying always in the bullish market. And I think that USD CAD will slowly start to move up, even creating a new higher high, or at least going to this level before making any move. So still USD CAD is bullish, and stop loss again should be below this level, and target should be at least to this level, which could give at least around 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This is the situation with USD CAD. Please send the funding link. Yes, I'll send the funding link hopefully tonight or tomorrow. I'm just preparing, trying to negotiate for a better discount for you, so that you guys can use this link for get funded. Develop the skill. There is always investor there to help you. Investor look for talented trader. So don't look at a small account. Don't say that I have a small account, what do I do with this small account? Always look at the bigger picture. So let's see. Let's go back to USD CAD again. Normally I'm biased on every day. You saw that some trade I'm biased, and all the time this trade goes according to the direction. So pay attention what I say all the time. Also pay attention to your own mind or own emotion all the time, so that you can become a better trader. So USD CAD, why I am biased to the downside again? I think that USD CAD will drop further even to this level. Okay, so let me tell you why USD CAD now going short. So let's see quickly bigger picture monthly. Now what's happening with the monthly? You see, this is the monthly time frame. What you saw the previous month's candle, look at this one here. You see, this is a strong bearish candle on the monthly. Let me show you clearly. Now as soon as the market opened, you see, after a slight retracement, there has been another candle started to move down. Now this is now a very strongly bearish market, because CAD is very stronger. As a result, against CAD, everything becoming weaker except Aussie dollar. Now what's happening is, I think that USD CAD will drop at least to this level. This is a very strong bearish price action. Why? Look at the past of this monthly candle. You saw there has been a monthly head and shoulder in this very important level of resistance. There is a support here. This is a historical in 2020. This level reached. From there the price tested this support as a resistance and created a head and shoulder, and we saw that last month the price went to this level almost there and then closed back below. So after this kind of rejection, you can expect another one to drop even to this level. Okay, so USD CAD will continue to drop. So let's see weekly, and then on the 4 hour we will see how we can trade. Past week we saw a doji. Okay, after this big move to the downside, we saw a green doji. Now this is a very bearish price action. Why? Because this doji basically tested this resistance as a support, and we saw rejection. As a result, it's continuing towards the downside. So I would not suggest you to buy USD CAD at any situation, only selling on USD CAD. Daily, okay, daily we saw there has been a consolidation. Okay, so when you see, keep in mind, you always need to pay attention to the market structure. When you see a bigger move and then a smaller consolidation like that, and then another drop, that means it is preparing basically for another bigger drop. Okay, move, impulse, consolidation, impulse, that's how market moves. Okay, so with that being said, what you saw that in USD CAD here, in this big move followed by this consolidation, and in this consolidation what you saw, creating a series of lower highs. See, there has been a long wick candle here, and there has been here, see, every time the price is creating a series of lower high. So impulse, series of lower high, waiting for another impulse, and that is what's happening. Okay, so the price is sliding to the downside. Now let's see on the intraday where we will be trading. Okay, so this is now we are on almost our risk on this one is just half an hour ago we entered around 13 pip. We are currently running around 11, 12, 13 pips around. So around 1-to-1 profit target we reached, but our target is 1 to 3 risks to reward. So this is how you need to understand. Now on the 4 hour time frame USD CAD, you saw that there has been a consolidation, and then now breaking to the downside. So this is how USD CAD is moving, and it is likely to drop down. In the meantime, guys and girls, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the like button, and also if you are old, also smash the like button, and also hit that red subscribe button. Every day a live stream from this channel help you in your trading, to make money, and also to learn to become an independent trader. Students Academy, hi boss, thank you Students Academy. Love from Pakistan, awesome. Love from Sydney, Australia. Okay, so let's see what else we can cover, and let me know in the chat area what's your favorite pair, so that I know, I have an idea, because this live streaming is for you and my analysis is for you. So I know, if I know what you are interested, it will be more helpful for me to serve you better, to help you better, and that's my passion. I want to help traders. I'm trader. I struggled a lot in my life in trading, losing money day after day for very, very long time. So I feel how it looks like, how it feels like to lose money. So I wanna, help who are losing money. I wanna help who want to make money, because this is what only I know in my life, trading, and that's what I wanna give you. So let's see. Good day, sir Samuel, thank you for joining. We can get over Usdjpy and Euro USD. Yes, Samuel, we already done Usdjpy, we'll do it again. Crypto XC BTC USD, yes, I'll be doing the BTC USD as well. Kakulan GBP USD, please. Mark plot polity Gbpusd, sorry if I spell your name or pronounce your name incorrectly. Ekapurta, thank you. GBP CHF as well. So Mila, euro dollar. So let's get on to this, that one by one. So euro dollar, as you see that yesterday I have posted an analysis on euro dollar when exactly the price was here, okay, and the price did exactly, you saw that. Now at the same time we entered Eurojpy trade, that's why we didn't enter euro dollar trade, but the same thing, same analysis, euro dollar, Eurojpy, both are going down. Now euro dollar, so far what I have seen is nicely now still bearish. Now let me explain how you can trade it, or how we will be trading if euro dollar, what kind of condition need for us to trade euro dollar. Now euro dollar, first of all, let me give you a quick overview based on higher time frame, then I'll tell you where you can enter, how we will be entering euro dollar trade, so that you can maybe use that for your benefit. So monthly, you see that euro dollar, you might be asking, some people, you might be thinking that why am I looking this higher time frame. See, higher time frame is not for trading, it's for the direction, so let's say when you use GPS for traveling from one place to the other place, what you do normally, you just zoom out and see how the road look like, how far the distance, so then you have an idea which road will be better for you, which has a less traffic jam, which road has a blocks. And so higher time frame basically will give you levels, will give you direction. So when you saw the direction is down, then easy to trade. You always think of selling when you see this kind of candle, okay, selling. So this market, I will be waiting for selling like this, so that you don't get confused, caught up in the lower time frame noises. So euro dollar past month, what we have seen, see, this is the candle for the past month, okay. Now by looking at this candle, I know what will happen. You saw in my Forex forecast as well. So this is a perfectly bearish candle. Why? See, this candle, if you draw in the lower time frame, it is something like this, an impulse correction like this, okay. So candle closes like this, came down, went up, close here. So what does it mean? It means that it has been an impulse and it has a retracement. The market moves always like that. Market never moves in a straight line. Market will move down followed by a retracement. So this week basically represents a retracement of this move to the downside. So that means that another one will start to fall again like this. See, impulse, pardon me. So what will happen? Let's say like this, impulse correction, the market close here, again another impulse to create new lower low, or at least to this level, So that means that euro dollar this month, not this month, at least to this level, it looks like to drop, okay. So euro dollar sell on the monthly, weekly, let's see, weekly, okay. Weekly, you saw that past week there has been a long wick candle, the price penetrated to the upside and then jump back below. So weekly, the price basically tested this previous support here. You saw there is a support here, tested as a resistance, and the price closed back below this resistance. As a result, this current week we saw that the price is sliding towards down. So weekly as well, we see that, you know, bearish move. Now daily, as I mentioned yesterday, when the price was at, the price opened with a gap, and there is a 20 period moving average, tested this gap, tested this. You see there is a if you see, this is the daily time frame, it's clearly seen there is a support here, there is a support here, there is a support here, you know, tested as a resistance, and we can expect euro dollar to be something like that, at least to this level. So still it is bearish. Now let's see 4 hour where we can enter, that we are patiently waiting for an entry point. So what I think, you see the price is creating like a doji. This candle will close after 1 hour. Now if this one closes, let's say something, let me show you. If this one closes as a doji, let's say like something like this, okay, with a long wick at the top, then high probability, keep in mind that there is a support here, but it's still, you know, if this one closes as a doji, then euro dollar high probability that will drop, okay, further, because it's a highly bearish price action. At worst scenario, it could go up, you know, certain level, maybe testing this breaking this high of the doji and then drop. Okay, so let's see how the candle close. But euro dollar is still bearish. It's still creating a lower high and lower low, and if it creates a doji here like this, lower high and lower low, it might go little up along this line and then will drop. I think so. Okay, but keep in mind, watch the price action, how it is happening. If it goes according to the plan, then smash the like button. So Eurusdjpy, you see, this is the trade that we have sent to our VIP members yesterday, to our students. And as you see that, let me explain this trade, that this trade or this analysis that I made yesterday after this bearish engulfer. Now who have watched this analysis, maybe you will understand it clearly, but let me quickly give you another overview. Let me replay this chart. Okay, so after this bearish engulfer, why did I thought that it will drop, and the price dropped? We are running profit. If you want to make money with us, smash the like button and go to the description area, join our VIP channel. There is a huge discount going on. If you don't join, that's completely fine. Stay with this channel. The only thing is that in VIP channel I can send a trade fast. Here in YouTube it takes time to process and upload, so there is a time delay. Anyway, so let's see, let me tell you why this trade is going down, why this is a perfectly good trade. Is because, first of all, you know that Eurusdjpy overall in an uptrend, but at the same time in the lower time frame, you see it has created this structure. This is a bearish price action pattern. Why? See, there is a series of lower high on this level of support, and then the price broke this level of support, again went up, tested this support as resistance, and closes with big bearish engulfer. You see, this is a bearish engulfer, cross all the high, cross all the low, closed as a bearish engulfer, and from there, you see, this is a clearly visible trade, and I send the trade signal and see what happened. You see, so it's nice, nice looking trade, and I think that Eurusdjpy could drop further down. Okay, I think it will drop here, but if in case it is, because it's an overall uptrend, if it in case create a double bottom and a strong bullish momentum, then I might close the trade with little profit. Let's see how this going on, but still it is bearish Eurusdjpy. So let's see what else currency pairs, cryptocurrencies. Let's see quickly BTC USD, who are trading Bitcoin, could be a good option, and then I will go through all other requests. That I have some other requests from Jay. Thank you, Jay. Students Academy, please analyze AUD CHF. I bought yesterday. That's great. AUD CHF, we also made money, good money from AUD CHF. Mahdi Nayami, high gold, please. Yes, I'll go through them. AUD CHF, please. Yes, I found the request. Mila, thank you. No problem, Mila. So let's see First of all, quickly BTC USD, and then I'll go through GBP USD, AUD CHF, all of them. We'll cover all of them. Okay, so BTC USD. Now BTC USD looks like to me bullish. Okay, Bitcoin currently is in bullish. Okay, so let's see monthly. Now you saw that I mentioned in quite a few of my analysis as well as in live trading. So this is the monthly chart on BTC USD, and what I think that BTC USD will do something like this. Okay, it looks like it will move along this channel. Okay, so what it might do is, you know, slowly going up and then coming down to this channel and do back and forth. So currently you saw that after the back-to-back 2 months rise, this month also BTC USD showing some bullish price action. So let's see weekly. Okay, weekly we saw that there has been a, you know, a doji formed. So this is basically a bullish price action because back-to-back 2 weeks bulls followed by a narrow doji. That means the sellers were just weaker, so bulls are pushing the price up. So let's see daily how it is doing. Now daily we saw that there has been a doji here, and then every time the price, as soon as the sellers pushing price, buyers, you know, buying, you know, every time the price is slowly creating a smaller candle and going up. So BTC USD is bullish. Any situation, if for the long-term investor, can be bought from here, but keep in mind you have to make your own decision. This is my own opinion. At any point I could be wrong and BTC USD could go to the downside. Just my own opinion is that it will be bullish, and the stop loss, if you are trading, the stop loss should be at least below this level. So let's see, this is the situation with BTC USD, bullish. So let's see AUD CHF. Okay, AUD CHF, let's start with AUD. You see, this is the situation with AUD CHF. A good trade and good analysis that I have posted. If you made money from it, smash the like button. If you haven't made, also smash the like button. As long as you are with this channel, manage your risk, you will make money, you will learn, you will become a trader. In the meantime, if you see, this is the trade that we have closed on AUD CHF, 3.5 times profit. This morning hit profit target, as you have seen. If you want to join this winning team, link in the description, huge discount going on. It's a very good time for joining this team. And at the same time, let me explain AUD CHF, what will happen next. Okay, what might happen. I'm a wizard, you know that. Most of the time I'm right, but at the same time I could be wrong at any point in a given trade. So let me explain AUD CHF, then I will go through the rest of. So monthly, quickly give you an overview. You see that this is the monthly chart on AUD CHF. Always look at the bigger picture. In the meantime, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, who haven't smashed the like button, all of you smash it. It's helpful for me. Thank you for smashing the like button. When you smash the like button and subscribe and drop comment, the YouTube algorithm pick the video and show to more people, and that's helpful for you, for me, for the channel, because this is your channel. So monthly AUD CHF, what happened is, you see previous months, this is, as I explained, this is a healthy candle. Why? Look at the bottom of this monthly candle sitting on top of it. It's a very strong monthly support. There is a strong support, and this monthly candle closed with a long wick at the top. That means that it has a significant retracement. As a result, we saw that this current month, as soon as the month opened, we saw price going up, and I think that it will go further up. It is likely to continue up. AUD getting very stronger. Weekly, you saw previous week this doji has been created. This is also a bullish candle. It's a higher high and higher low. So this week, as soon as market open, we saw that, you know, pushing up and likely to push up daily. Okay, daily is very important. You see this after this bullish engulfer. I posted analysis on AUD CHF, and it has done exactly, okay, and we have entered the trade exactly as soon as the market open. I send voice message to my students in the group when early in the morning in Sydney, as soon as market opens, that the way market opens, AUD CHF will rise, will buy it. I send the trade signal, my students bought, they made money. If you want to be my student, there's an open door. At the same time, you are my student on YouTube. I'm live streaming every day to help you. So now, what's happening with this AUD CHF? Let's see. See, after this daily bullish engulfer, the price gone up, right? So where to you can enter again with this instrument. Now look, this is a very, very strongly bullish market. Now, how can you enter another trade? See, after 54 minutes, this candle is closing like that, right? I think as soon as the candle close something like this, if it is not closing with a big red candle to the downside, I think it will rise up again. Okay, it will rise up again, if not today, maybe tomorrow. But to me, if this one closes as a narrow doji, you might see immediately the other one is going up. So how can you enter? For me, what I will do is, let's say this one closes as a red candle like this, right? As a red candle like this, if it closes like that, then I will be waiting for another one to form like as a green candle, create a higher high. Then I will think of buying from here, keeping stop loss below this low, targeting 1 to 2, or I will be waiting for a couple of dodges. That means that we need to wait for a retracement of this move. Okay, so never think of selling, never ever. Okay, that's the main advice I can give. Buying, to buy, you need to wait for a candle started to rise. Okay, like creating a new higher high, because this is now retracement, this is not reversal. Highly likely it could be reversal. I'm not always 100%, I can guarantee. It could be that this candle, big red candle coming down, then could be a reversal. Okay, then I'll advise you what to do next. But for now, still it is a bullish. If it creates like this smaller candle, so let's say 2 small doji, could give us another buying opportunity. Okay, so AUD CHF buy. So GBP AUD and ZDUSD, coin bureau, yes, Euro CHF, Brett Lockwood, BOMA, GBP, JPY, yes. So let's focus on GBP pairs. Okay, GBP pairs give us some trading opportunity. GBP USD currently going in a sideways, so we'll come back to GBP USD later. The hot pair currently is, let's say, GBP AUD. Okay, so as you can see, AUD is getting stronger and stronger, and also we made money from GBP AUD just yesterday. I sent trade signal, we made 1-to-1, but when this candle formed, this is the trade that I have sent to my VIP members. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button, press that bell notification. Don't experience FOMO. Don't think that, okay, they are making a lot of money, I'm not making money. If you think that, then you started to lose money, because trading, you'll see a lot of people make money in many places, and you will make money too. Just be patient, pay attention. If you want to learn trading, pay attention. If you want only to make money, don't want to learn trading, also pay attention, because I teach trading and at the same time I send signal in this live stream on YouTube, so that you can make money and you can learn. So now GBP AUD, I think that it will go further down. See, the biggest mistake retail trader does is when they see a bottom, they think of buying. Okay, this is okay. I did the same thing. When I started trading, I lost a lot of money by taking wrong trade, but that's okay. But as long as you develop that understanding, you will not make this mistake anymore. So what is that understanding? Always think of selling in a falling market. Always think of buying in a rising market. So this market, if you see, this is the 4-hour time frame GBP AUD. What do you see? See, anyone can understand this is a falling market, right? It's falling, consolidation, falling. Think of selling, okay? Where you can sell, find that point. Don't think of buying in this market. If you buy, you will be hit a stop loss, highly likely. I can't guarantee, but so to avoid any kind of loss, always think of selling. Now, if this one GBP AUD, I think that if this one closes something like that here, okay, I think the next one will immediately drop again. Okay, will drop and then rise will be like that. So let's see quickly multi-time frame, and then we will be coming back to the same time frame again to see how we can trade. Now what I think that, see, GBP AUD, this is the monthly time frame, and you saw that all this level is broken. This is strongly falling market. So what it could do, GBP AUD is will have a bigger move, to this level maybe, and then will again rise up for retracement. So for now it is in a high momentum of dropping down. Okay, so let's see weekly. Okay, weekly, yesterday I mentioned this one, again I am mentioning. You see, this is what you need to pay attention. People think that, oh my god, how many candle fall, now it is time to go up. No, don't think emotionally. The more candle falling means more chance of falling. That's how you have to think. That's why it is said that normal doesn't make money in trading. So you need to think sometimes a bit crazily. So how you will think crazily? See, forget about how many candles drop. Look at this candle. Pay attention this weekly candle. You see, this candle will tell you that GBP AUD will fall further. Why? See, this candle is a perfect false breakout of the previous week's high and then close back below. So there has been a liquidity, there has been a lot of stop loss hit by this candle, and also this one tested this very, very important level of support here as a resistance and then drop. So there has been a double top formation, dropped, tested this support as a resistance and then drop. So weekly as well, GBP AUD is highly bearish, right? So let's go to the daily now. Now daily, we saw that in my weekly forex forecast also I mentioned, after this daily candle, GBP AUD is likely to drop. Smash the like button if you haven't watched that weekly forex forecast. Watch that. This is in my channel, and it should be in the, if not in this description of this video, if you subscribe to my channel, go there, check playlist for weekly forex forecast, watch all of them, see how this came out, will give you some thrill and education really. So let's see on the 4 hour again, coming back to now. I think that after this 4 hour candle, another one could go drop from here. Let's see how this candle is closing, but still it is bearish. Smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So AUD USD, Anita, thank you for joining. AUD USD, let's see. Gold also, Agbula, kindly review gold for sell. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I'll see AUD USD and then I'll see gold, and we'll go through all of them, and ZD and all the pairs. So let's see AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD. See, AUD USD also bullish. Okay, as I told you, pardon me, I feel like sneezing anyway. So what you see that monthly, okay, see AUD USD, what happened, it broke all this level of support, resistance. This is the monthly resistance, and this is the monthly chart on AUD USD. Because this resistance is broken, we could expect, you could see that AUD USD pushing to the upside a lot before making any move down. Okay, it's bullish monthly. Weekly also bullish. You saw that past week we saw a doji, and the price after this doji aggressively broke towards upside. Okay, so it's a strongly bullish market. Weekly bullish, monthly bullish, daily it's broke to the upside. Okay, so there is no question. You see, this is a there has been a false breakout downside, grab liquidity, and then impulse, little correction, impulse, little consolidation. It's a strong trending sign. There is not strong retracement. That means that the trend is very, very strong, so it's likely to go further. Let's see 4 hour. Okay, now Aussie dollar, see, look at the bullish candle. That's what you need to see as a price action trader. How strong. Look at the red candles. Okay, so if this one closes like that, I think let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, because when you see this kind of a strong market, you need to see the lower time frame further. So what I think that in this market will maintain this level and will rise up again. Okay, so Aussie dollar bullish. Now if this one closes something like that, the next candle, say if this one closes as a like this, like as a doji, half body half wick, so the next one could drop around 50% of the wick and then could rise up. Smash the like button now. Depending on how the candle is closing, it's bullish. Okay, AUD USD bullish. At the same time, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's see gold. Okay, now as I told you yesterday, gold was trading in a very, very narrow range, and you saw that this is what's happening with the gold is just going up and down in this narrow range. Now when gold does always, let me show you the daily time frame, how the price, see, this is a purely one candle sideways, guys and girls. Stay away from this kind of market until it breaks out and show you a trend, because if you trade in this market, chances that 98% chances that you will lose money. I know I did it a lot. I was sometimes impatient and trying to hit the profit, because when I lost money, oh shit, why did I took this trade, take another one, and finally got exhausted. So and then I realized that why am I doing this? So over time I developed this patience. So you need to understand it, that when the market does like this, you and me can't do anything. We just need to wait. This is a one candle. It's the narrowest range possible, and I will be always staying away from this market, not selling, not buying. Because why? You might say, okay, narrow range, what if I sell if it breaks to the downside? See what we will do in narrow range when the price range. Let me show you something. So what it will do something like that. It will break one time upside, and then it will break another side downside, and it will break one time upside, and then it will start to trend to the downside like this. So what will happen? If you sell here, keep a stop loss, your stop loss is hit. Now if you buy here, you stop loss here, your stop loss will be hit. So whichever way you go, you will be hunted. So that's why narrow range, stay away. I will not trade on gold until gold breaks out of this range. It is very, very important that you understand it. Okay, be patient. US30 Bhumia Belthapu, thank you for joining. Bhumia, thank you for joining on this channel. Let's see US30, and then sometime, guys and girls, if I forget some of your requests, because I'm going through a big list, repeat that again so that I remember and I can go through it. So before I go to the US30, let me quickly go through GBP pairs as we have discussed. So GBP and ZD, as we have seen that GBP AUD was bearish, GBP and ZD same thing, bearish. You see, this is a long falling market. GBP and ZD, it is a bearish market, and I strongly think that it will drop further down. Okay, now GBP USD, let's see GBP USD. Now as you see that why I'm not so interested so far on GBP USD, the same thing with like the gold. GBP USD moving in a sideways, and I always try to stay away from sideways, because this is the main trap to lose money. You know why the market moves sideways? Because they know that they can, big boys, they know that they can make a retail trader impatient, and the retail trader will buy or sell, placing a stop loss, and they will hit that. Because in a trending market, it is difficult to hit the stop loss and people can make a big profit. But in a sideways market, they can easily hit a stop loss and hit your take your money. So GBPUSD also I'm not interested so far, but I'm more interested in GBPAUD, because GBPUSD, I think it will finally, by consolidating, it will go to this level, this doji, and then might come down. Okay, so that means if I draw this line here, GBPUSD, let me draw this here, go to the daily. Okay, so what I think, you see, this is where there is a 20 period moving average. So at some point, what GBP could do, possibly will go up. This is the daily chart on GBPUSD, would go up, and then will come down from here. And that could happen, could not happen. It's in a sideways market. It's still bearish. The bias is bearish, but sideways means lower time frame. It is in a sideways. Guys and girls, if you haven't liked yet, smash the like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's see US30. Okay, US30, what's happening with this now? US30, so this is a daily chart. Okay, first of all, let me see monthly. Okay, so monthly bullish. US30 is still bullish. There has been a bullish candle created, but it could drop as well. There is a chance. Okay, weekly, see, weekly we saw that back to back two dojis. Okay, double doji with a higher high and higher low. So this is the bullish price action. I have a completely dedicated strategy, double doji trading strategy. It's free on YouTube. You might find link in the description, or go to my channel, subscribe. You will be able to see that it's a very, very high probability strategy. You can watch that. So you see the weekly double doji created, and this week also, as soon as the price came down a little bit, the buyers pushing the price high. So I think that US30 will rise up. Let's see daily. Now daily, you saw that there has been a big impulse followed by this correction, impulse followed by this correction. Now slowly, buyers picking up. And what I think, US30, let's see 4 hour, what it might do. But on the 4 hour, you saw this is again a bearish price action on the 4 hour only. Okay, so what it might do on the 4 hour, it will go further down little bit and will create a bullish move slowly along this trend line. Okay, along this trend line. So US30 bullish for now. Let's see what happened. So Nelson asked for dollar yen. Dollar yen today also I have posted analysis. Pardon me, not dollar yen, Aussie yen. So Aussie yen, you see, this is the one that I posted today, and this is the 4 hour time frame. Aussie yen bullish. Okay, look at this market, guys and girls. Look, this is a uptrending market. Don't think of selling. Okay, as I told you that retail trader always see top for selling, bottom for buying. You need to train your brain. I did that same thing. Whenever I saw double top, I'm sure that most retail trader now thinking that, oh, Aussie yen created a double top, wow, let's sell. It's if I sell, I might make a big money because I will have a big move. Okay, now at the same time, it could happen. It could happen that the next one is dropping and you make money. But in most cases, what is rising, it will rise. Okay, so that's the law of trading. Remember, law of trading, law of gravity, law of, there's a law of trading is what is rising is likely to rise, what is falling is likely to fall. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Wizard Trading Academy. Nelson asks, when should we buy Usdjpy? Well, very, very good question. To buy Usdjpy, I need to see a retracement. Now, see, this is 35 minutes remaining for this candle to be closed. But if this one closes as a doji, okay, that could be a buying opportunity, but I need to see further confirmation. Better to wait for a double doji or slow retracement, you know, and then started to move up, then could be a buy signal. Let me see the daily. So, you know, Aussie yen, so what it could do today, you know, it could go up and then come down with a long wick, and then on the daily create slow retracement and then started to move like this. So you need to understand how retracement work, and you need to wait for like this. See, what do I mean by this? Let's see, when a strong bull market, look at this one here, you see back to back two dojis, this is a slow retracement, okay, and look at this here, see, after this move, one red candle and push the other one. So pardon me, so when you see, let's say this bullish candle formed, it's a buy area, okay. When this bullish candle formed, it's a buy area, okay. So why? Because with this red candle, it completed the retracement and then it started to move up. Now, if you are an aggressive trader, okay, if you're an aggressive trader, means you have a small pip loss. Aggressive trader does not mean that big risk. Aggressive trader means small risk, big profit, okay. So when you see, let's say, this kind of doji formed, okay, you might buy at the middle of the doji, keep a stop loss below, take 1 to 5 risks to reward. If you have a $1,000 account, risk only $5, okay. If you are stopped out, you are done. That's what I do. You know, sometimes I lost 4 or 5 trade, and when I gain 10 times, 5 times, 3 times, like that. That's how traders make profit from the market, okay. Smash the like button now. Hello traders, I'm really apologize for the connection error. There has been a connection error, and I have been completely disconnected from the live stream. Hopefully that you understood it, and it becomes, I even didn't know that it was live streaming because I was trying to fix the connection, and fortunate that I got my connection again. Suddenly it happens due to the internet issue. Sometime connection become completely disconnected, but thank you for understanding, and thank you for joining again. Can you see me? Mark Paluti, it's over. He's amazing, so glad to join today. Thank you, Mark, for this for joining this live trading session. So I sincerely believe that you really enjoying this live trading session. Really good to see all of you, and let me know in the chat section if you can see me now. Let me do some more setup. I will go a little more, and then we'll wrap up what else we still have to check. So how are you going? Let me see if all of you can see me now. Okay, I see that. Yes, Rabi, good, thank you. It's really it was really disrupted due to the internet, and I really apologize for this. In the middle I had to stop the streaming. We see you. Thank you, Rabi. Sorry for that, and hopefully we'll continue again, because the streaming was not over and we couldn't finish all the pairs. So let's see what's happening. We see that gold is rising little bit. Let me know again what else. Duke, yes, we can see you. Thank you, Duke. Sorry for the disruption. I even didn't know that it was still showing me in camera. I was going here and there. I don't know what you sometime I said maybe shit, fuck. Anyway, leave it like that. Sometime, you know, things happen like that. So let's say Gbpusd, it was really good. Okay, Gbpusd picking up, because you know that JPY is very, very weaker, and GBP/JPY is showing a bullish price action as I told before, and that is what's happening. Euro/JPY, as I told you, we are on a trade and looks like it will drop further. Okay, Euro/JPY, the way it has closed, see this impulse followed by this correction, nice correction, tested this 20 period moving average, and then Euro/JPY now look like it will drop further, but it's overall bullish market in Euro/JPY. And thank you for patiently waiting with me, and it is really great to have some time with you guys and girls. So it's almost after 6 minutes there will be a candle close. This is the 4-hour candle close, and as you know that I have told you at the initially we entered a trade on USD/CAD, and it's almost hitting our profit target, 3 times profit target. See, I will explain this trade again. So this is the USD/CAD. I have entered with only 13 pips stop loss. I send this trade to our VIP members, and our target is around 37 pips, so around 3 times profit. If you want to join this team, the link in the description, as I told you, always free to join. And at the same time, you see that there is let me explain why USD/CAD I have taken. I also explained initially, and I think that USD/CAD will drop further. Okay, will drop further after a little retracement, will drop further. And you see this current 4-hour candle, this candle basically tested this support as a resistance with this and then dropped. So we might see further drop on this one today, tomorrow it will continue to drop. Smash the like button now. Let's see what else we have in our table to discuss. Bitcoin and Ethereum, as I told you, they are bullish, and I think that they will be further bullish. Gold now trying to pick up. As I told you, gold trading in a very narrow range, so it might go just in this narrow range until it breaks out. I will not be trading gold. And Euro/JPY, bearish. Euro/dollar, you see Euro/dollar is creating a double doji now. After 3 minutes this candle will be closed, and I think that Euro/dollar little will rise around to this level, and from here it could further drop. Euro/dollar is likely to drop further. I could be wrong, because we see a double doji has been created with a lower high and lower low, and this is a strongly falling market. You know, there has been a fall, little retracement, consolidation, fall, little retracement, consolidation, and we can expect another fall. So if you take trade, make sure you manage your risk and also do proper risk management. This is really great to spend some time with you, and I will be wrapping up this session, and sorry for the disruption happened due to the internet connection. And tomorrow hopefully we will have another great trading session. So these are the all pairs that we have discussed. Let me know before I wrap up, do you have any other things to ask me or any request, so that I can wrap up this session. Hopefully you enjoyed this session. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe button if you haven't done yet. We'll see you tomorrow in the same time in live streaming. That's great to have some time with you. I saw that some people are joining. Anytime, let me know if you have any question. Thank you. See you soon tomorrow.